Hello, I'm Lori Leland. Do you have pain and muscle tension from stress, work, fibromyalgia, sports injuries, or accidents? Are you taking pills or other treatments for your headaches, neck pain, back pain, tension in your shoulders, joint pain, or pain in your arms or legs, but find yourself not getting any better?
I couldn't sleep because of the pain, and every time I would move in my sleep, it's waking me up all the time.
Yearly, I would expect to be off work a couple of weeks because of back pain.
There are days when I can't even turn my neck to the right because of all the stress in my shoulders.
Honestly, I couldn't move, and when I did, I was in a lot of pain, even with pain medication.
And now I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Michael Ho. Hi, Dr. Ho.
Hi, Lori. Great to be here.
Listen, I want to ask your opinion. There are so many people out there with recurrent pain, and they think there are no solutions. Is that true?
Lori, that's not true. First of all, there are many causes of pain, and anyone with pain should be visiting the doctor for proper diagnosis. For over 20 years, I've examined and treated many patients with acute and chronic pain. I learned that in order to get significant relief, we need to treat the cause of the pain and not just cover up the symptoms.
So what are the main causes of pain, Dr. Ho?
With the majority of the patients that I've seen in practice, the underlying cause of pain are muscle tension, nerve irritation, and poor circulation.
Okay, so Dr. Ho, how does your pain therapy system actually work to treat the causes of pain?
My system is a next generation TENS device with one of the best technology for pain relief. It works by stimulating the nerve and muscles with modulating pain relieving waves. Here's the difference in my TENS device. Those therapeutic waves are designed to change every few seconds. Because it's always changing, your body won't adapt. So you get fast, long-lasting relief. It feels just like a deep, soothing massage that helps relax tight muscle, improve circulation to help relieve your pain.
I've been working as a jeweler for about 16 years, and all the strain in my back from sitting, the pain is in my shoulder. It feels like a knot, and it's mostly on my right shoulder. I do get it on my left sometimes, but it's mostly on my right, and it just feels like a knot. Like there are days when I can't even turn my neck to the right because of all the stress in my shoulders. I use it like weekly or daily, you know, whenever I have pain, whenever I can't see my chiropractor. So to me, it's a product that works. It's just something that works. It makes sense. It's something that you put on and you instantly feel relief. You instantly feel better.
Dr. Ho, my shoulders are feeling much better already. Is this where you put the pads to help relieve headaches or neck pain?
That's right. You know, to get the best relief for pain from tension headache, migraine headaches, and neck pain, you need to have 2 pads on the upper shoulder and also at the back of the neck. That way, it can help to relax the neck and shoulder muscle and improve the circulation between your neck and your head. Now, be sure you're lying down during this treatment to get the best results.
Dr. Ho, can someone with diabetes or who's taking medication use your system?
Yes, they can. With my pain therapy system, there are no drug involved. So someone with diabetes or taking medication already can certainly use it with no problem. In fact, the more they use it, the better they might feel.
Before I used Dr. Ho, I had chronic neck pain, and I would get pain in my shoulders and in my neck. It would lead to muscle spasms, headaches, migraines. So I would be in pretty much constant pain and be running to different appointments, going to physio or massage therapy, a whole array of things. Once I got Dr. Ho's machine, I was able to use that whenever I needed it. So it freed up a lot of time. I was able to do it in my house. So I work and have kids, very busy. Now I was able to do something more often and feel better because it was loosening up my shoulders. It was getting rid of the headaches and the migraines.
Dr. Ho, how long do I really have to use it before I see the results?
Lori, one advantage about having your own system is that now you can afford to treat yourself more often and when you need it. Many people have reported feeling much better after just one treatment. You know, there's science behind my pain relief technology, and it's clinically proven. In a published clinical study, Dr. Stu McGill and his research team discovered that my TENS device significantly reduced the muscle tension, improved circulation, and relieved pain after just one 20-minute treatment.
I had pain in my right hip going down my leg and in my lower back, and I had a difficult time walking and just enjoying life altogether. It at one point left me in bed for a while. Actually, I bought the unit over 10 years ago. It helped me so much. It was just wonderful. And now if I feel the slightest little pain, out comes my Dr. Ho and I use it, and I don't have any more problems now. So I'm very happy with the product.
With my pain therapy system, you can have less pain, be more active, and live a happier life.
Think about it. Managing your pain has been costly with ongoing pills and traveling and never-ending appointments. It costs thousands. Order yourself a Dr. Ho's pain therapy system and you can save time and money. You know, I've had this on for about 20 minutes and my shoulders are feeling great. But I have to admit, I'm finding this so relaxing, it's putting me to sleep.
That's right. You know, many people use my pain therapy system before going to bed. They feel more comfortable, have less pain, and able to sleep much better. You just set the timer, relax, and go to sleep.
I've been using Dr. Ho's TENS units for a number of years in my practice to help patients recover from strains, sprains, tension headaches, whiplash injuries, fibromyalgia. And they tell me that after their use of the TENS units at home, they tend to sleep better, they recover faster, and it even helps them on the weekends when they can't see me to work around the house when they're traveling. And by the time they get back for another treatment, they're in better shape.
Dr. Ho, is your pain therapy system good for back pain?
Lori, we have many successful cases with acute and chronic back pain. For back pain, just put 2 pads on your back, 1 on each side. Now, just turn it on, select the mode, adjust the intensity, and right away, you can feel your tight muscles relaxing and enjoy that feeling as the pain going away. It feels just like a soothing and relaxing massage deep inside your back.
2 years ago, I was in a car crash. I couldn't move. I honestly, I couldn't move, and when I did, I was in a lot of pain, even with pain medication. When I put my Dr. Ho on, it makes your muscles contract, and it just somehow relaxes them so much that at the end of a 20-minute therapy here on my couch, my back, you can bend, I can go out for a walk, I could go for a ride on my bike. It just makes my back feel so much better.
Dr. Ho, how about for people with sciatic pain and numbness in their leg from a degenerative or herniated disc? Can they use it?
Lori, for anyone with this problem and sciatica, they should be using my pain therapy system. If you have back pain, hip pain, numbness or radiating pain down your legs, put 1 pad on your back and the other pad on your hip. This will help to relax the muscles, promote circulation of the sciatic nerve, which helps to relieve pain and numbness in the same area.
Struggled with back pain a number of times, probably annually. I would have a series of weeks where I couldn't function properly, and you take some medication, you see a doctor, you take a few muscle relaxants, but none of that ever seemed to work. Nothing ever gave me constant relief that I could count on, and instant relief. The difference now is that if I do sense anything coming on, I can immediately put on the device and I'm feeling good within minutes.
Before Dr. Ho's system, my pain level was about 8 or 9. It was tough to get through practice, and it was really an emotional thing for me. But after I received a system and started using it regularly, my pain level was down to 4 or 5, and that was on my worst days. I injured my neck in the beginning of 2012, and actually Dr. Ho's muscle therapy system really helped release that tension in my neck. And it's been a great tool for me to help me recovering and keep me going and competing for a spot.
I read the clinical study in the medical journal, and it amazes me how fast your system can relax tight muscles and improve circulation to help relieve the pain.
Well, it really works. If you have elbow pain on the extensor side, what I call tennis elbow, what you do is you just put the large pads on your elbow just like that. And see how easy it is? Wherever you're pain, put the pads on. Turn it on and turn it up till the muscles are moving a little bit. In as little as 20 minutes, you should start to feel the pain go away. Now, if you have pain on the inside of the elbow, what I call golfer's elbow, you just put the pads right here. And again, we just turn that on, and you can see the muscle move on its own, and it's going to feel so good in no time at all. Now, if you have wrist pain, hand pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, or if you have numbness and pain going down the hand from repetitive strain injury, you just sandwich the wrist with the pads. If you have joint pain, your hand or your feet, it's very simple. All we do is sandwich the joint, okay, just like that. By doing that, we can help to stimulate the nerve and the muscle to improve circulation and to help relieve the pain. Very good, very simple.
Dr. Ho, I know many people use your system for their hip or their knee pain. Can someone use it after surgery or if they have metal implants?
Yes, you can use it before and after surgery. After surgery, once the tissues are healed, it is safe to use it even if you have metal implants. Now, the stimulation helps to relax the muscle, improve the circulation, which can help to reduce pain and swelling. This can help to improve your mobility.
My pain before Dr. Ho, I'd say it was quite extensive, like a 10 out of 10. And I also used it for my back before and after surgery to stimulate the muscles. And once I started using Dr. Ho's appliance, the pain was so much relieved that it was much easier on me to move, much easier to live with. I was a happier person.
Before I used Dr. Ho, I used to get muscle spasms in the lower back to the point where it disabled me. I would literally curl up in a fetal position because the pain was so bad. After I heard about Dr. Ho, I went out and had this product, brought it in, and started using it, and I couldn't believe the results. In literally hours, I was out of the fetal position and almost back to normal duties that day or doing whatever it is I want. By the second day, I'd have no pain left by using Dr. Ho. It works great.
I am ready to try the foot relief massage pads, Dr. Ho. I'm so excited.
Go ahead, just put your feet on them.
Just like this?
Yes.
All
okay.
right.
Now turn the machine on.
Turn it on.
And slowly turn the intensity until you feel the foot massage.
I do, I feel it. Oh my gosh, it feels like someone is massaging my feet right now. I love this. It feels so relaxing and it's literally taking the soreness away.
The foot relief massage pads are great for anyone with foot pain or just tired and sore feet from standing or wearing bad-fitting shoes all day. It's also great for promoting circulation in your feet and your legs.
So people with poor circulation in their legs from diabetes, sciatica, or even restless leg syndrome, should they be using these?
That's right. It helps to promote the circulation. You can really feel it.
That is fantastic. I see other leg circulation boosters selling for hundreds of dollars, and yours are great, and you've included them with your system. Wow.
I use the Dr. Ho every morning. I sit at my kitchen table for about 20 minutes and have a very relaxing massage on my feet, and it just helps me get started for the day. After 20 minutes, my feet feel like they're brand new and they're just ready to get out that door and start walking.
And what's really interesting is the fact that it's continued to work for the last 15 years whenever my back goes in spasm. It works as well after 15 years as it did the first time I used it, which is really quite commendable.
If time is the true test, my system has been helping people for over 15 years. Many people with fibromyalgia, headaches, neck pain, back pain, tension in the shoulders, joint pain, knee pain, pain in the arms and legs are using my system and living a happier life. Open your mind. Try this out. This might be exactly what you need.
Patite li od fibromijalgije, glavobolja, migrena, bolova u vratu, koljenima, ukočenosti ruku i nogu ili napetosti u ramenima, iskušajte terapiju Dr. Ho pomoću elektrostimulatora sa 4 elektrode. Elektrostimulator je novi sustav za ublažavanje bolova i napetosti mišića. Ima veću snagu, udobniji je i djelotvornije uklanja bolov. Uređaj preporučuju liječnici kod bolova zbog napetosti mišića i stresa.
Unatoč Parkinsovoj bolesti koju moj suprug ima duži niz godina, suprug nije mogao uopće hodati, on sad evo može napraviti par koraka.
I nakon 2 tjedna ja vam mogu reći, ja sam tu bol izgubila, oteklina je prestala i ja danas hodam normalno, ja sam presretna.
Elektrostimulator Dr. Ho poboljšava cirkulaciju i uklanja bol u samo 20 minuta. Jedinstvena tehnologija Dr. Ho prodire duboko i uklanja mišićnu napetost i bol.
Prvi aparat koji smo kupili da je stvarno idealan. Evo, od onda ja više ne idem na terapiju. Ja sebi terapiju sam dajem doma. Fantastično. Često mi noga desna zna trnuti. Metnem na 20 minuta i fantastično. Mislim, cijeli dan nemam nikakve trnce u nogama. Izvanredna stvar.
Iskoristite ovu neponovljivu ponudu i naručite svoj elektrostimulator, a kao dodatni bonus dobit ćete i 4 uobičajene elektrode, 2 super flextone elektrode kojima možete ukloniti bol u koljenima, ramenima, donjem dijelu leđa, kukovima i nogama. Ove flextone elektrode izvrsne su i za masažu i za učvršćenje mišića trbuha i bokova. One su izvanredne za smirivanje upala svih većih površina, poput mišića leđa i ramena, a vi ih dobivate besplatno. Nazovite u sljedećih pola sata i dobit ćete još posebne masažne elektrode za stopala, koje su izvrsne za poboljšanje cirkulacije cirkulacije i olakšanje za vaše umorna i natečena stopala, koji dokazano uklanjaju bol za samo 20 minuta. U vrijednosti dodatnih 399 kuna, a za vas besplatno. Stoga nazovite odmah i svoj elektrostimulator dobit ćete za samo 999 kuna. Zato naručite svoj elektrostimulator odmah i živite život bez bolova.